Defining project management milestones. Milestones are key checkpoints in project management. They don't represent tasks or activities. Instead, they mark major progress points in a project's timeline. Think of milestones like road signs on a long journey. They let you know how far you've come, where you are now, and what's coming next. A project milestone is a significant event or point in time that indicates progress in a project and helps keep the team and stakeholders aligned. Examples of milestones: signing the project contract, completing the design phase, gaining client approval on the final prototype, official launch date of a new product. Let's break down what makes milestones effective and how to use them in your projects. Milestones are and should be. Milestones are landmark moments. They mark major accomplishments like reaching a rest stop on a long road trip. Example: first store location is opened and operational. Milestones gauge if your project is on track. They help answer, are we meeting deadlines and goals? Example: beta testing completed by March 15th. Milestone names should be short and to the point. Keep them clear and concise so everyone understands. Example: good, prototype approved. Poor, client gives full final official approval for all initial designs after weeks of revision. There are two main types of milestones in project management. Major milestones, external facing, represent big public-facing achievements. Example: product launch, grand opening, or final report submission. Minor milestones, internal day-to-day, represent smaller internal checkpoints. Example: completing user surveys, finalizing team assignments, or finishing draft reports. Milestones give you 3 critical insights about your project's journey. Distance traveled. How far have we come? Example: we've completed 60% of project tasks. Distance to be traveled. How much is left to do? Example: 2 more phases remain before completion. Direction of travel. Are we heading in the right direction? Example: are client expectations still aligned with project goals? Milestones are not optional. They're a critical part of project planning. They serve several purposes. Communication. Show stakeholders where the project stands. Accountability. Help teams stay on schedule. Motivation. Give the team clear, achievable checkpoints to celebrate progress. Risk management. Reveal potential issues early before they grow into bigger problems. Here are a few important definitions to keep in mind. Milestone. A specific point in time that represents a significant achievement or progress in a project. Major milestone. A milestone marking a large, public-facing event or key deliverable. Minor milestone. A smaller internal progress point used for team tracking and planning. Project tracking. The process of monitoring progress against milestones and goals to ensure timely completion. In summary, milestones are like guideposts on a journey. They help you mark progress with landmark moments. Gauge success by checking if you're on track. Communicate clearly with both internal teams and external stakeholders. By using milestones effectively, you set your project up for clear direction, accountability, and success. Let's walk through a quick example of milestones in a software development project. Imagine you and your team are creating a new mobile app. Along the way, there are several key points, or milestones, that help track progress. In the very beginning, during the planning phase, a major milestone might be getting the project charter approved. This signals that the project is officially ready to begin and has stakeholder buy-in. Next, you move into the design phase. A minor milestone here could be completing the wireframe for the app. While it's not public-facing, it's an important internal checkpoint to make sure the design direction is correct. As development begins, you hit another major milestone when the beta version of the app is released. This is often shared with select users or stakeholders to test features and gather feedback. During the testing phase, a minor milestone might be resolving all bugs that were discovered during beta testing. This ensures the app is stable and ready for launch. Finally, you reach the launch phase. The major milestone here is the public launch day, when the app is officially released to all users. This example shows how both major milestones, like the beta release and launch day, and minor milestones, like completing a wireframe or resolving bugs, work together to keep the project on track and communicate progress to everyone involved. Milestones are much more than dates on a calendar. They are powerful tools for tracking progress, motivating teams, and delivering a successful project. By defining major and minor milestones, naming them clearly, and using them to check your project's direction, you ensure everyone knows exactly where you are and where you're going.